92 to 95 Civic. So your steering wheel's fine. There's the piece right there. It's too much of a gap. Sticks way out, I can hardly drive. So I'm hoping you can just send me this piece and this piece. I'll return both of these pieces when I get the other ones. I'm going to show you the problem with this. Just a moment, we put the camera down. You see right here, inside there. Let me show you the ball that falls out. There's that ball, it gets loose, it falls out. That's the only one I have a problem with. So I just keep it in there for now. Hoping it don't fall out while it's on the car. And I guess that's it for the video. But like I said, I would like you to send me another quick release. I'm fine with the steering wheel, I like the steering wheel. And another adapter, please. Because you can see the gap right there, it's not for this vehicle. Thank you very much.